Manipur gi apunbagi shaktam keidongei da kaihalloi haina India gi Home Minister Amit Shah na thajaba pirakle haina COCOMI na phongdokhre ngasi Union Home Minister unaruba matungda uripok ta leiba COCOMI gi office ta pangthokiba paumi singa unaba amada COCOMI gi convener Jitendra Ningomba nak phongdokhibani Chief Minister Bangloda Union Minister ga unaba da COCOMI gi maikaidigi tongan bo wafam kaya marik chumna thamamki haiba wafam Jitendra Ningomba na phongdokhi
appropriate measures for the protection of territorial and administrative integrity of Manipur. Subada, immediate abrogation of suspension of operations SHU with the Kuki militants under the umbrella of the United People Fronts, UPF, and Kuki National Organization, KNO, and protection of lives and properties of the innocent Maitis village inhabited at the foothills of Imphal and the innocent people in the hill areas of Manipur. Immediate and effective counter-terrorist action to uproot the SHU and the non-SHU narco-terrorist aggressor in the Manipur to restore peace and normalcy. Immediate replacement of Assam rifles from the Indo-Myanmar international border with other security forces like Border Security Force, BSF, etc. And also to follow roster deployment for every 6 months. Immediate compensation and rehabilitation of all the victims' family.
Amaromda COCOMI gi media coordinator Somarendra na phongdokhibada Manipur gi apunbagi shaktam kaidana bohonagani haiba achetpa thajaba piramke COCOMI gi maikaidagi su thajaba piramba sing thabakta onthorakani haibagi achetpa thajaba lei haiba wafam su phongdokhe
Koina tongan ba civil society kaya ama su unaki ai tare madu gi munungda COCOMI su saruk bihakhibani badai ma thamamba wafam ji sai khoi gi COCOMI na Hamatham Kiba Wapam Karahaitare, Manipur integrity Mutan Yamna, Yam Singaduna Nang Lerba, Adumodi Mark, Situation Maduda Kariguma, Pakai, Wapam Leroy, have a wapam Yam Thajaba, Manipur integrity Muta, the man in Simbo Kaihalloi Abagi, Amna Bonli, Mayamda Hermi Haitare, the Amana, Hogi Uki Militarana, separate administration Lama, Kangong and Demand of Gudu, Madugi Mutanga Zumana Hipsi. Wapamdu Kalam Tada Kanaba Musung Nainaba Matau Tade, Maduzu sing any way day, Miana Maduda Nang Wamadi, Nungaiba Pobiganu, Habasin Magna, Akoida Miam, that Tamamasi had a quick committee, some meat of civil society to Mamma.